Hi, did you order Postmates?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a great night.
You too.
All right.
Oh my God.
What?
I need to see this car. I'm literally about to buy it.
You're getting in?
Yes, I'm literally about to buy this car, and you have the same one, so I like need to check it out before I buy it. It's literally so cute. Are you kidding?
Oh, you just shut the door.
Yeah, why not?
I've never had a.
I'm checking the full interior.
I've never had a Postmates customer get in.
Dude, it's so cute in here. Are you kidding?
Thank you.
Can I just take a Snapchat or something?
You want a Snapchat in here?
Yes, I'm out. Like,
all right, I gotta do
like I already bought the car.
I gotta do another delivery, so just here.
Oh yes, that's perfect. Wait, do you wanna like wait?
What?
You're kind of like cute.
I'm cute?
Yeah. So like, what are you doing after work?
I don't know. I just probably gonna go to bed. I don't really have any plans.
That's kind of lame. I was thinking maybe we could kick it.
You want to hang out?
Maybe if I get your number and then we like text and we can hang out or something.
I mean, I don't know. Are you? What's your zodiac?
I'm a Leo, duh, the best sign there is.
That is a pretty good sign.
I know, it's the best.
Okay, yeah. Here, take my number.
Okay. Here, put it in my phone and I'll text you.
Okay. All right. And what was your name?
Chanel.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
it was nice to see you.
All right, just text me later, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
All right, bye.